Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about a couple of items for beginners for Linux, right? So if you're starting Linux, here's a couple of things that you'll want to know. Without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So you can just follow along. There will be some code on the screen. So number one, we have navigating the file system. As a developer, you'll need to be comfortable navigating around the Linux file system. After opening up a terminal multiplexer like Terminator, you'll be dropped into the file system. You can use the pwd print working directory command to see where you are. From your current location, you can move anywhere else with the cd, the change directory command. For example, and Peter, please put that on the screen. It's the $CD with the SSH. In the above example, the tilde represents your user's home directory. If you're inside a subdirectory and want to go up a level, you can do so with the ... for example. And Peter, please put that on the screen, the $CD ... Many Linux beginners don't realize that you can also use the tab key to auto-complete file and directory names. To quickly create a file, you can use the touch command. And Peter, you can put that on the screen as well. To copy a file or directory, use the cp command in the example below, and Peter will put that on the screen. The leftmost file is the original file, and the rightmost file is the copy to be created. And that's that cp hello text you're seeing right there. Perhaps you made a mistake when naming your copied file and want to rename it. You can do this with the mv, the move command. You can also use the mv command to move a file from one directory to another. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. The below invocation of the mv will rename the file, and you can see that hello text to bonjour text. Peter, you can put that on the screen. Let's say the creation of the child.txt was a mistake. We can delete it with the rm, which is the remove command. And Peter, you can put that on the screen. It's right there. If we want to delete a directory and everything in it, you can pass the rf flag to rm. We'll remove the files without confirmation, and the r will remove files inside the directory. Note, be careful with this command. Make sure you are not deleting something important, right? So let's hold for a second. Linux command line doesn't show you what's inside a particular directory unless you ask it to. It's tough to be productive if you can't see what you're working with. This is where the ls command comes in useful. Then you have that ls downloads. It's the list files, allows you to see the file names of any files in the given directory. If the command is run without an argument, it will default to the current directory, but you can also specify a path on the right hand side as seen in the above example. Peter put that on the screen. ls is the simplest form of this command, listing only file names. Often you'll want to see more information about the files you're interested in. So that was the first one. The second one is the cat, C-A-T, grep and the wonders of piping, right? We have the cat concatenate command. Concatenate command writes files to the standard output, the text you see on your screen in the terminal. And Peter, you can put that on the screen, the cat hello.txt. Cat is often the easiest way to quickly inspect the contents of a file. It becomes especially powerful when piped into grep. And Peter, you can put that on the screen. We have the piping IE, which is the character allows you to chain commands together using the output of the left hand side command as input to the command on the right hand side. It's a useful technique that allows you to do complex output progressing by combining simple commands together. One of the most common uses of the pipe command is to grep the result of the left hand side command. Grep, which is a catchy acronym for the not so catchy name Global Regular Expressions Print, is a simple utility that searches input for a line that matches the given pattern in case a line containing the word Lucy. Another very common use of cat and grep together is searching for a specific event in a large file, i.e. the var log messages. And Peter, you can put that on the screen. We have the internal server error, and grep can be used for searching any kind of output, not just file contents. Many Linux commands output dozens of lines packed with information. For example, if your Linux machine is running over a dozen Docker containers, you can use the grep to zero in on only the container you are interested in. And Peter, you can put that on the screen. So please hit the subscribe button, please hit the notification bell. I appreciate your viewership and see you on the next video.